Updating your payment information on Cash App is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Tap on your profile icon or the account balance at the top of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your payment information. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. Scroll down to find the option labeled Payment Methods or Linked Accounts. Tap on this option to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update your information. Choose the payment method you want to update, such as a debit card or bank account. Enter the new information as required, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your updated payment information, look for a Save or Done button. Tap it to confirm your changes and ensure your new payment information is saved. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment information on Cash App. Regularly checking and updating your details can help avoid any payment issues in the future.